So that just happened. Morning. So today I'm gonna ride my bike. It's been quite a while. This guy from LA used to do fixed gear bike videos. His name is Zane. He's in DANTE, so he's been telling me over the last few weeks to get together with him and try to get some clips filmed. It's been kind of hectic because it's like Christmas season. I've been working a lot, but really want to get some clips filmed with him. But at the same time, I'm a little bit scared because I haven't been riding my bike in a while, so we'll see how it goes. Problem number one, I do not know how I'm gonna get my bike to town. So I ride a scooter. My bicycle is a 26 inches wheel bike. I don't know how am I gonna take my bike to town. I'll find a way. The bike is at the shop, so from here to the shop it's normal. From the shop there we'll see. It's still like 6:45 or something like that. I'll meet him at 8:30 in town. So we got some time to think about it. Today it's going to be a fun day. I don't know if I can still bar speed on a bike, but in a scooter I think I can still do it. Let me try it in a scooter. I got this. This thing doesn't. I don't even have air in my tires. It's gonna be fun. So, no possible. I tried to. I really wanted to put my bicycle in the scooter, but it just doesn't fit. It's impossible. Zane will come and meet me by the shop. I do not know if we're going to town, and if we're going to town, I don't know how we're going to town. Probably we need an Uber, or we need to ride the bicycle from here to town, which is kind of far and it's super windy, but we're gonna still ride the bike. I just need to go out and pump my tires because the tires are like too soft. And then once Zane is here, we might just try to get some clips around this area, which is kind of like an industrial area, so we might be able to get some cool stuff. Got wheels, I got hair in my wheels, but it's freaking windy. I don't know how I'm gonna ride this thing in the wind, huh? Tricky. Mr. Zane! Okay, we're out. And that's the way to do it. We got to this point. I just wanna, I wanna film one clip for this camera and then whatever else we film. Like, okay. that just happened. Back somersault on the bike. I can't backflip, but I can fakey back somersault gaps. And we got it on film.
More like Logan,
Lower is that side of the coast. So I'm back at my office. Zane just left. Tonight is Tuesday, which means it's the inline skating night in Cape Town. I also have some work to do meanwhile. And then later I'm gonna put my skates on and skate with the rest of the Cape Town guys. But I don't know. Like, a lot of people seems to be on holidays in Cape Town. We got Dante.
What's up, people? Subscribe to our channel.
So what's your channel, Dante?
Dante Bazio.
Okay.
I think the link will be in the description. I don't know.
Yeah, it will be. Now show me what you got. Show me a trick.
Can you in the shop?
You can be in the shop. Show me a trick in the shop.
Safety first.
Yes! Very fun. I didn't really rode my bike for that long, but my arms are so sore. Like, I feel like my butt is sore, my arms are sore. I don't know about this one. I think I'm gonna need a helmet. My body's weak, huh? Super weak. Frustration hits the fan. It's like I'm trying the same trick for way too long and I can't land it. I'll try one more. That's it. If I can't do it, I'll give up.
I went to the trampoline park with my GoPro.
Just to learn.
And, huh?
Show me what you got.
Oh, I got it at home.
No,
But,
show me your trampoline skills.
my trampoline skills. Now, never. There's nowhere to jump here.
Pussycat. And that's how my day ended. I'm sweaty as beep, but I had like a fun day. I also worked a little bit on the computer. I rode my bike, I skated with my friends, learned a few new tricks like those slides into sweat stance and the slide to acid, slide to soul. So I'm quite stoked about it, but right now I think I need to take my skates off and whew, glasses steaming here, huh? Oop, lost the glasses. Anyway, I'm done for today. Time to take my skates off, get on the scooter, get back home. Someone just fell outside. Everything is okay. And you know what to do. If you have any friend who used to skate and doesn't skate anymore, tell him about this channel. If you like skating, subscribe to the channel. If you like biking, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see what's up in South Africa, what's up with my trips, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep doing videos as much as I can related to all these addictions that I have to wheels, and a little bit more about my life, about my traveling and all that. Hope you enjoyed this one, and this week I might be doing a contest to win some skates. I can't tell you more about it right now, but you'll see a video real soon about it. And I also plan on doing how-to video with a few tricks, so you're gonna enjoy that one, I hope. Cheers, see you in the next video.
Vou viver até quando